Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you a magic trick. So how are you gonna do this? You're gonna need a lemonade, one of these. You're just gonna need one of these things with the
Or any.
straws that come off. Yeah, any of them that have straws like this. And then that's when you take it off. You can check your friends with this. Just like if you put the sticky part on and kind of like angle it, they won't know anything about it. Like, look, it's just like floating there. But and it was like, well, I'm gonna try it again. It was like falls. Yeah, you need to. It's just like that. And we do this other one. Boom. But instead, you do one. And you just cover your finger up with the sticky part. And boom, it works. Try this out with all your friends. I'm sure. Leave in the comments if it worked. And also, thanks for watching. Bye.